Hello, my friend. Today, I want to talk to you as a brother, not just as an English teacher. I know many people dream of speaking English fluently. Some want a better job. Some want to study abroad. Some want to communicate with people around the world. And some simply want confidence. But there is one problem. Most people believe English is difficult. They think they need years and years to speak fluently. They think they are too old. They think they are not intelligent enough. They think English is only for gifted people. Today, I want to tell you something important. None of those things are true. English is not difficult. The method you are using might be difficult. There is a big difference. Before we continue, I want you to stay with me until the end of this video, because at the end, I will share a special secret that can completely change the speed at which you learn English. Many people ignore this secret, but those who follow it consistently often improve faster than they ever imagined. So stay with me. Now, let's begin. The biggest mistake English learners make. Most learners spend years studying grammar. They memorise rules, they memorise tenses, they memorise vocabulary lists, yet they still cannot speak. Why? Because speaking is a skill, and skills are built through practice. Imagine someone who wants to learn football. Would reading football books make him a great player? No. He must go onto the field. He must practice. He must make mistakes. He must improve little by little. English is exactly the same. Many learners spend 90% of their time studying, but only 10% speaking. The successful learner does the opposite. They spend enough time learning, but most of their time is spent using English. Remember this. You do not learn to speak English by studying English. You learn to speak English by speaking English. That sentence alone can change your life. Rule number 1. Speak every day. If you want to become fluent, you must speak every day. Not every week, not every month, every day. Even 10 minutes is enough. Consistency is more powerful than intensity. Many people study 5 hours on Saturday. Then they do nothing for the rest of the week. This is a mistake. It is better to practice 15 minutes every day. Your brain learns through repetition. The more often you use English, the stronger the connections become. Speak in front of a mirror. Speak to yourself. Describe your room. Describe your day. Describe your plans. Anything. The important thing is speaking. Rule number 2. Learn vocabulary in context. Many students memorise hundreds of words. Then they forget them. Why? Because isolated words are difficult to remember. Instead, learn words inside sentences. For example, do not learn opportunity. Learn, I am looking for a new opportunity. Do not learn improve. Learn, I want to improve my English every day. Your brain remembers stories and sentences far better than individual words. Let's learn some useful words right now. Opportunity, meaning a chance to do something. Example, this job is a great opportunity for me. Confidence, meaning believing in yourself. Example, I speak English with confidence. Consistent, meaning doing something regularly. Example, I am consistent with my English practice. Progress, meaning improvement over time. Example, I can see my progress every week. Fluent, meaning able to speak smoothly. Example, my goal is to become fluent in English. Repeat those sentences aloud, not in your mind, out loud. Speaking creates progress. Rule number 3. Stop fearing mistakes. Let me tell you something important. Mistakes are not your enemy. Mistakes are your teacher. Every fluent English speaker made thousands of mistakes. Thousands. The difference is they continued anyway. Many learners wait for perfect English. That day never comes. You become fluent by speaking imperfect English repeatedly. Think about a child learning their first language. Do they speak perfectly? No, they make mistakes every day. But nobody laughs at them. Nobody tells them to stop. And because they continue speaking, they become fluent. You must do the same. A powerful daily English routine. Let me give you a simple routine. Morning, 10 minutes. Read one short English article. Learn 5 new words. Say each word in a sentence. Afternoon, 10 minutes. Listen to English audio. Pause. Repeat what you hear. Copy the pronunciation. Evening, 15 minutes. Speak English. Talk about your day. Record yourself. Listen again. Notice mistakes. Improve tomorrow. If you follow this routine daily, your English will improve dramatically. Shadowing method. One of the fastest ways to improve speaking is shadowing. What is shadowing? Listen to a native speaker. Immediately repeat exactly what they say. Copy their pronunciation. Copy their rhythm. Copy their intonation. Do not worry about understanding every word. Focus on sounding like the speaker. This method trains your mouth and ears at the same time. Many advanced learners use shadowing every day, and it works.
The truth about fluency. Fluency does not mean knowing every word. Fluency means communicating confidently. Even native speakers do not know every word. They simply know enough words to express themselves. Stop chasing perfection. Start chasing communication. The goal is not perfect English. The goal is effective English. Final secret gift. End of video. Now I want to share the secret I promised at the beginning. Most people try to learn English by studying. Very few try to live in English. For the next 90 days, change your phone to English. Watch English content daily. Think in English. Speak to yourself in English. Read English every day. Listen to English every day. Write something in English every day. Create an English environment around yourself. If you do this consistently for less than 3 months, your speaking ability can improve faster than you ever expected. The secret is simple. Do not study English only. Live in English. When English becomes part of your daily life, fluency stops being a dream and starts becoming reality. Remember, 1 day of practice is better than 1 day of excuses. 1 week of consistency is better than 1 week of motivation. And 1 month of action is better than 1 year of wishing. Believe in yourself. Start today. Keep going. And I will see you in the next lesson. Goodbye and take care.